Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, LED headlights, privacy glass, engine block heater, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.